How is chemistry important in medicine? I guess I see chemistry as being a crucial part of medicine in two ways. Chemistry is what I call the how and why part of science. Biology can tell us a lot about what is involved in biological systems, but when we look at the human body in terms of wanting to cure diseases, we need to understand how the body works normally so we can see what might have gone wrong. Chemistry is involved in modeling chemical systems in the body to increase our understanding of how we work. For example, the hemoglobin, a protein that stores iron, takes up and releases iron in the body, has been studied and thought to work using chemical oxidation and reduction processes. Why something might have gone wrong and how we might be able to fix it. What might have gone wrong, chemistry have developed useful diagnostic tools used every day in hospitals, such as magnetic resonance imaging and CTR scanning. These techniques allow pictures to be taken so doctors can see the organs and bones and tissues inside the patient. Trying to fix it. Chemistry also plays a huge role in the development of synthetic drugs such as antibiotics, antimalarials, and analgesics. New research is being done on possible ways chemistry can be used to target cancer cells without killing the healthy cells around the cancer growths. And this is where chemistry is so important in medicine.
I'm going to talk about the chemistry of food. Abstract chemistry has major importance in food processing sector. Food chemistry is the study of chemical processes and interactions between all biological and non-biological components of foods. It informs us about change in food taking place during processing and storage. Also, it provides techniques and ways either to exchange change in food like engagement of fermentation by conserving of lactose to lactic acid by microorganisms or to prevent change in foods like prevention of browning in apples and pears. The chemical processes that take place inside food determines its nutritional value, taste, texture, and freshness. Like any other organic material, food can decompose over a period of time. The importance of food chemistry lies in its ability to counter the effects of decomposition and spoilage and extend the shelf life of foods. That's the importance of the chemistry in food.
I'm Francisco Carreño, and I'm going to tell you about the chemistry in warfare. There are two things that we have to consider. The first thing are the bad things that the persons use the chemistry in the war, like are the mustard gas, and the second things are the good things, like the penicillin. We need to consider that if we weren't in that wars, we wouldn't progress and be where we are today.
Hello, I'm Edgar. Today we're going to talk about the global warming. That is a big problem in our planet. Its cause principally is the greenhouse effect, and we can reduce it by stop contaminating, like stop throwing trash or something. And I can tell you to stop, but at the end you have your decision.
In this stage, we made three possible solutions to the global warming, and we would like the proposals to be made at the national level. The proposals are: number 1. Restrict people from using cars. This will cause that the production of CO2 decrease and the air will be cleaner. The disadvantage with this proposal is that we won't be able to use cars. Number 2. Make campaigns to stop factories from producing smoke. The only disadvantage with this proposal is that the industries probably will disappear and the economy will fall. Number 3. Make the subway for free or reduce the cost to make people use the subway rather than cars. The disadvantage with this proposal is that the subway will be overpopulated.
This is our team's conclusion, and it's about how science has helped us around all this time. So I'm going to say two examples of how it helped us. One is the electricity. From Ben Franklin's studies of static and lighting in the 70s to Alessandro Volta's first variety to the Kyoto discovery of magnet to how do you say this? Like the relationship between magnetism and and electricity, science has still a bit of our understanding of electricity, which today carries our voices over telephone line, brings entertainment to our televisions, and a lot of things, and even it helps us to like studying and a lot of things. The other example is about plastics. The first completely synthetic plastic was made by chemists in the early 90s. And since then, chemistry has developed a wide variety of plastics suited for all sorts of jobs, from blocking bullets to making several dental floss. And that's my part.